Goofy and Scooby are friends. Goofy owns a mountain villa and draws up a valid deed conveying the villa to Scooby. As Goofy hands the deed to Scooby, he tells Scooby that when he dies, Scooby will get the villa. Does Scooby now own the villa? No. Scooby will not have any interest in the mountain villa because the deed is void. In order to transfer land by deed, there must be a delivery. Delivery will be effective when there has been a physical transfer of the deed, and the grantor had a present intent to transfer title. When Goofy handed Scooby the deed, he wanted title to transfer upon his death, not at the present moment. Therefore, the delivery was ineffective. Note that if Goofy had put language in the deed stating that it is not effective until his death, the deed would effectively convey a reversion in fee simple absolute to Scooby, with Goofy holding on to a life estate.